Microsoft Learn for Educators. I'm Dr. Rachel Wortman-Morris, and I'm one of the creators behind the Microsoft Learn for Educators program, and I'm a clinical assistant professor at the University of Washington. Employers are looking for specific markers of readiness and skill attainment when hiring. More and more they are seeking out candidates with industry-recognized technical certifications, like those from Microsoft. As a faculty member, teaching this course and setting students up for success, you play a pivotal role in ensuring your students get certified. Practice makes perfect. To prepare for the exam, students can access free fundamentals practice tests and certification exam vouchers by visiting aka.ms/student certification. Exam pass or fail rates cannot be tracked by the school with this option. Students can also access free fundamental exam vouchers by attending a Microsoft Virtual Training Day. Students can attend this training by visiting aka.ms/MVTDs. Vouchers are given to attendees who complete the training. Keep in mind, exam pass or fail rates cannot be tracked by the school. With an academic volume license, you can decide which students can sit the exam, manage exam scheduling and proctoring of the exam sessions, and obtain detailed reports on all proctored exam sessions. Certiport is the Microsoft exam delivery provider for fundamentals exams. Pearson is the Microsoft exam delivery provider for both fundamentals and advanced role-based exams. If you choose to purchase a volume license for certifications for your students, you can purchase directly online from Pearson or at Certiport. After obtaining an exam voucher, students must schedule a certification exam. To take a fundamental exam, students can locate a nearby Certiport testing center that administers fundamentals certification exams. If your institution is provisioning Certiport exam vouchers and you want to make it one step easier for your students to get certified, your institution can administer fundamentals certification exams for students by becoming a Certiport testing center. If you'd like your institution to become a Certiport testing center, visit aka.ms/Certiport Test Center to learn more about the process. If you want to administer the fundamentals exam as a Pearson testing center, you can find out more by visiting aka.ms/become-pviewtc. Something to keep in mind are the key differences between Pearson and Certiport beyond the delivery of fundamentals or advanced role-based exams. With Pearson, individual students schedule exams through Microsoft without the help of a faculty member. A self-serve walkthrough is provided throughout the whole journey. Exams taken with a Pearson are not associated with an institution, and any post-exam data does not go to the institution. Pearson is the Microsoft exam delivery provider for both fundamentals and advanced role-based exams. Leveraging Certiport, on the other hand, for fundamentals exams allows students to work directly with their faculty member. It is possible for the whole class to take the exam at one time, and all exam results will be provided to the students as well as the institution. Again, Certiport is the Microsoft exam delivery provider for only fundamentals exams.